Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix flashing screen on Windows 10. So guys, if you are using Windows laptop or PC and you face this problem, so to resolve this error, just you need to click on start, then type msconfig, right click on system configuration, then click on run as administrator. Now in here click on services. Now scroll down. So now just you need to deselect problem reports control panel support. So make sure it's deselected, and similarly this select Windows error reporting service. So both unchecked and unselect this service. Then click on apply. Then click on OK. Now you need to restart your computer to apply these changes. Before restarting, save any open files and close all programs. Then after restart, click on start, then type run. Right click on run, then now open run. Now type a double p wiz dot cpl, then press OK. Now scroll down and select Microsoft Visual C++ 2008, then click on uninstall. Are you sure you want to uninstall Microsoft Visual C++ 2008? Click on yes. Now after reinstallation, restart your PC. So hopefully guys, using these simple and easy steps, we can resolve and fix flashing screen on Windows 10. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video useful for you or not, and also please comment this video work for you or not.